Hey everyone, how are you all? You can see mountains at the back. Yes, I am traveling somewhere. I had recently planned a holiday and I have left Delhi. Yesterday I left Delhi and I'm planning to go somewhere in Uttarakhand, which I will reveal later on. Because of this traveling, I was not able to make videos on my English and something like that. So it was like so I thought that why not include a travel vlog in my series. So this is going to be a travel vlog. Just now I would only reveal that I have just left Haridwar and I'm heading towards somewhere. Now I want to tell you something about Haridwar. We have you must have often visited Haridwar and you must have often heard about it. So as Haridwar represents a kaleidoscope of Indian culture. It has its ancient history, and Haridwar was also known with different names like Kapilsthan, Gangadwar, and the Haridwar marks its importance because the Ganga river, the sacred river of our country, after flowing for like 253 kilometers from its main source, that is Gomukh in Gangotri Glacier, first times first time enters the plain and at Haridwar. So therefore Haridwar has its importance. And Haridwar is also the entry point for Char Dham in Uttarakhand, that is Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri and Yamunotri. And also there's something with the name of it also, as the followers of Shiva call it as Hardwar, Har being Shiva, and the followers of Vishnu call it Haridwar, as Hari being Vishnu. You can see the exhaustion on my face. I'm like very tired. The journey is taking very long time. We are having halt every now and then. It is because some work is going on over here, and we are expecting that when we will return, the other highway which was supposed to be open today will will open. I really hope so. We are like 120 kilometers away from our destination. Our destination is Chamoli. We are heading towards Chamoli here. The traveling in mountains is like headache, real headache. Please don't take offense, please. It's my experience. But at the same time, you can also feel peace over here in the mountains and enjoy the serene views over here. Reaching Chamoli, we headed 10 kilometers above from there to Gopeshwar. It's a small village. Just have a look at this town. No noise, no honking of cars, just peace all over. And as we had to just spend a night here, so we booked a hotel over here. We didn't bother to book a fancy or an expensive hotel. We booked a normal hotel, and tomorrow is the D day of our trip. Yes, I'm not going to take the name right now, but I want that tomorrow only you come to know about that place for which we have come here to Uttarakhand. And our friend, there's a friend of ours who is going to take us to that place. So till then, keep hitting like to my videos, sharing the videos, and do comment your guesses that which place I'm going to head to. Till then, bye bye, take care and peace out.